Hey there, I'm Ken Carson with Zybex, and we're all down on the shop floor right now. I'm gonna cut this piece of our Eagle work surface in half, and we're gonna look inside so I can show you how well it's put together and how it's basically one solid piece of material. So let me fire this baby up, and then we're gonna get this thing cut. Nice sharp blade on here, cutting like a champ. This is the work surface material. We got the MDF material in here, medium density fiberboard. And then you can see the laminate on top. And even after I cut through the middle, it's not gonna peel it off. When we run this through our 3D laminator on the other side of the shop floor, it turns this into basically one solid piece of material. You can't get your finger in here to pull up the laminate or anything like that. So extremely durable, handles dents, resists scratches. It's fantastic material for a 24/7 environment. So if you got any questions about our work surfaces, the durability of the products here at Zybex, hit us up, we're here to help.